Hello and welcome to another TMR Tours food mashup, this time at Hollywood Studios.
We are in Andy's backyard with all of his toy friends to try out some of his favorite foods mashed together.
So let's go over to Woody's Lunchbox and do an interesting Totcho Tart sandwich. Let's try it out. All right, here we go. This might be one that doesn't work good, but we'll find out. It's not the worst thing in the world, but it's not the best either. You get a lot of the Totcho flavor right out of the gate, like, because it's savory, and then the sweet raspberry from the tart hits you after. It really is.
Let's see how this goes. Ooh. Okay. Well, this definitely does not work at all. A lot of times we like savory and sweet together, but the frosting of this is really like, it's just super sweet, and it's really throwing it to two opposite ends of the spectrum here. Individually, the Pop-Tart is great. Individually, the Totchos are great, but these are two that do not belong together in one bite. Side by side, but not together.
So I took another bite, if that means anything, but it's really not working. Like, yeah, not so good. But I will have this top by itself. Those are good. The Totcho Tart mashup sandwich. Not a go.
No.
Yeah, I think that's a general consensus by both. It was not a successful mash.
No, not at all. It was just two separate ends of the spectrum of savory and sweet.
Yeah.
I'm Stacy.
And I'm Ryan.
And this has been Smack Smash.
See you on the next one.